Back in Silicon Valley, Stacy was showing me the control center of the Knightscope K5 security robot. What type of things then are the K5s scanning for?
They're looking for anomalies, so things that are out of the ordinary. For example, if you're in a shopping center and normally there's nobody there between 11:30 at night and 6 a.m. in the morning, if all of a sudden we have an object detection in that area, it's going to say, hey, this is not right, and it'll send us an alert. Alerts and events show up here on this side of the screen. Right now you can see we're all clear, so we don't have any events going on.
Yep. This array of screens would usually be installed in the control room of Knightscope's customers, so they can monitor any alarms raised by the robots. It sounded very convincing, but I wanted to see what the K5 would do if it sensed some bad behavior. So I snuck outside. Now, this might look ridiculous, but the K5 was tracking me wherever I went and recording footage which could be passed on to the authorities. And when I blocked one of its cameras, it sounded an alarm to scare me away and alerted Stacy to my misdemeanor. The K5 is being trialled now in low-risk areas such as shopping centres, and Knightscope are hoping to expand into the UK. If you see one, be careful, because they're a lot smarter than they look.
Back at the University of Pennsylvania, students Justin and Mickey were setting up a demo of their swarm drones.
All right, I think I'm ready to see them go.
All right, let's do it.
These autonomous robots are aware of each other and work as a team. They're all controlled by computer software, which after takeoff runs without any human input.
Wait, you're not doing anything.
No, I'm not doing anything. No, I told them to go, and that was it. So they're doing their own thing right now.
The computer monitors the drone's positions to the nearest millimeter by tracking how the red lights bounce off tiny reflectors on each drone. In the real world, the drones could be fitted with sonar or GPS to do the same job.
So why don't you grab the robot by the battery?
Just grab it?
Yep, just grab it. It's safe. And pull it out of the formation. Ooh. So this is like if a robot were to have a low battery, for example. And the formation knows how to accommodate for the robots coming and leaving from the formation.
Because they're communicating with each other.
Exactly.
These drones have all been programmed to surround a central point in the room. When one is removed, they automatically reconfigure to do the job in the most efficient way possible. In a group of 3, they know a triangle is the best formation, but when back as a 4, they form a square.
They're shifting to still survey the same spot on the ground.
The uses for drones like this are endless. From spraying crops perfectly evenly, to surveying burning buildings which are too dangerous for people to enter. Naturally, the military are already working on their own version of this technology.
I mean, this is really demonstrating that swarming effect, right?
Exactly.
They're all here trying to accomplish one mission, and they can sense when one of them is down, and then they'll accommodate towards that.
Exactly.
Oh, it's like magic. Ha!
So whether it's security or warfare, autonomous robots are getting smarter by the second.
And you didn't do anything. Humans did not do anything.